Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see the step 5 for the series Migrate SQL databases to Azure. And in this video we will create the JUMPBOX VM. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. This is where we left for the previous video, wherein my SQL Manage instance deployment is going on. So I will create another resources, and in the portal I'll click on create a resource. I'm gonna look for Visual Studio 2019, and yes, I will go with option 1, 2019 latest. Okay, so it would be Visual Studio 2019 Enterprise latest release on Windows Visual Studio 2019 Enterprise latest release on Windows Server 2019. Perfect. I'm gonna go with this. Create. Resource group. This one, virtual machine name. I will do JUMPBOX. West US2. Availability options, I'm gonna go with no. Image is this. Spot instance is no. B4 V3. Username, make sure that you will remember the username and password. Okay. Base, allow selected ports. Disk. Under disk, we would go with standard encryption at rest. No other options. I'm not going with premium, I'm going with standard because this is my lab, right? Networking, I'm going to place it in my existing virtual network. Subnet, that I'm keeping it in the management subnet. I will create a public IP, a basic one. Selected ports, I'm not placing it on the load balancer. I'm not enabling any boot diagnostics. Nothing here. Tags. Review create. It will do the validation test. Validation is passed. And you hit click create, and it will start the deployment of a virtual machine. All right. This will deploy it, and in the next video, in the next step, we will create a SQL Server 2008 R2 machine. Okay, which will, act as hosting our on-premise instance of SQL Server 2008 R2. Okay, so I hope this was useful for you. This was the another step. I'll see you guys in the next video and move forward. Thank you. Have a good day.